Breast lift versus breast reduction. What's the difference? So first, let's talk about what's the same. A breast lift and a breast reduction both elevate the nipples to the appropriate location on the chest. They both tighten up the loose skin and get rid of the extra loose skin. The real difference between a breast lift and a breast reduction is how much extra tissue and weight is removed. So, to qualify as a breast reduction, usually we are removing 200 or more grams of tissue, meaning we are significantly reducing the volume and weight of the breast, which is the goal of a breast reduction. With a breast lift, our goal is to tighten up the loose skin and position the nipples at the correct location. Even though some tissue is removed with the breast lift, this is usually a very small amount of tissue that does not significantly decrease the weight or size of the breast. At most, with a breast lift, some patients will lose about 1 cup size. So that's what I tell patients when they're getting a breast lift without augmentation or anything else. I tell them if you're getting a breast lift alone, you're probably going to go down about 1 cup size. With the breast reduction, the purpose of the operation is to make the breast size significantly smaller. For this operation to be covered by insurance companies, you have to meet all kinds of criteria, which we can go through when I meet you in person. But we usually have to remove over 500 grams of tissue to qualify as a breast reduction. So you're going to be significantly smaller following a breast reduction than you are following a breast lift. 500 grams is a lot of weight. This here is a 415 gram implant. And so you can see it's not a small implant, it's a very middle of the road size implant. And we need to remove more volume than this to make most insurance companies happy to cover a insurance or reconstructive breast reduction. Now, if you want smaller breasts, but you don't want to have that much tissue removed, we can always do a cosmetic breast reduction. That's not a big deal. And if you don't want to be really smaller at all, you just want to have a tighter skin envelope and have your nipples at the appropriate location without loose skin, then a breast lift is probably all you need. And then again, we could go on and on. If you want to have a little bit of volume added, you could have a breast lift along with some fat injections and fat grafting. If you want to have a significant amount of volume added, you could have a breast lift with an implant placed as well as fat injections if you wanted. There's all kinds of different things we can do. But to answer the question of this video, it is breast lift versus breast reduction. Usually the scars are the same. They both lift the nipples, they both tighten the skin envelope. The difference is how much weight or volume is removed. To learn more, check out our website where you can upload your photos and concerns as a virtual consult. You can also check out our price estimator to get pricing information for all the various procedures we offer. And finally, if you'd like to have your questions answered on a future podcast or Q&A video session like this, please leave a message on our SpeakPipe. You can go to our blog page and our SpeakPipe is located there. Thanks for listening.